Everybody's so welcoming, and we actually really enjoy our time over here. We started 5 years ago in partnering with a Pakistani technology company, and we've seen how amazing the talents are in Pakistan. We believe that Pakistan has a great potential to become a tech hub of the world when it comes to software development and even artificial intelligence, blockchain, and other deep tech that we will use and need in the near future. And I believe that there is a lot that can be done here in Pakistan when it comes to knowledge transfer to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. There are already a lot of companies that are expanding to Pakistan. Some of them are expanding their operations, and some of them are expanding their tech teams here. We can as well bridge the entrepreneurs and make sure that they become part of all the initiatives that are happening in Saudi, connect them with G20 countries through the Young Entrepreneurship Alliance of the G20, as well as making sure that we support being in the global entrepreneurship network. So all of these are a lot of potential between Saudi, Pakistan, and the world. So today we're focusing on the tech industry. We are focusing on providing tech services to companies in Saudi and vice versa, as well as providing these services to the world. We actually planned that we want to have a value of 300 projects for $100 million throughout the next 5 years. In our past 5 years, we have reached to $10 million worth of value of the total value of the projects that we have worked on. We are also looking to create more than 1,000 jobs in the next 5 years, and we already started to facilitate this channel, and we're actually reaching to our goals in a shorter time. I believe that the G20 countries are always working on creating a better economy for the world. So having other countries to contribute in this alliance is something that is really important. We believe that Pakistan is one of the countries that can add value to making the world's economy a healthier economy. Actually, this is just the beginning. We try to put a realistic goal, and I believe our number is today conservative based on the opportunity. However, once we understand the impact that can be done through ourselves and our partners, then we will of course expand and increase this goal. Today I believe that we already reached to 30 or 40% of this goal through our partners, and I believe that this will keep on growing and will reach to the goal faster than we were expecting. And I believe the world has a huge need of the technology services, manpower, and woman power as well.
Yeah.
So we also think that the demand will help us to increase this number to probably 10x or even more. Had the chance to visit universities, to visit companies that are working in the technology sector, and I felt that this is the Silicon Valley of Pakistan. So I made sure that we start from the right place, and then we can also expand in other regions in Pakistan. Manal was an amazing place. I love places that gives you the view of the beautiful city. I believe that we really enjoyed our time. We had to go back before sunset because we had the launch event of the Saudi Pack Tech House. However, we are planning to go next time, inshallah. They told us that the sunset and the night is amazing also over there. So inshallah we will go there. I always say Saudi Pakistan, Dusty Zandabad, and I believe that this tells a lot in our hearts to the Pakistanis. We have a big trust on Pakistanis, and we definitely feel the welcoming and the welcoming, the love, the whole thing that we feel with Pakistanis is amazing. We feel that we're in our second home, and they feel that whenever they come to Saudi. And we all have a lot of strategic goals that we share. Saudi Vision 2030, under the leadership of King Salman bin Abdul Aziz and the Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, is a vision that is impacting the world with a positive impact. So we believe that we are a small part of this vision, and we try to support and align with this vision and try to make sure that we involve others to join this vision to make the world a better place.